medical practitioners from China. They are very supportive and knowledgeable and skillful.
So till now, we have trained the doctors, the nurse, especially the nurse in Tanzania, for many advanced techniques, like how to use the video logoscope and how to use the fiber optic to deal with the difficult airway. And we also have some lecture for ultrasound.
This collaboration will much improve the anesthesia provision, especially here in Mwimbili, because they help us to learn a lot new technique, advanced technique.
For the long-term training, we are always want to build a medical team that never leave. That means we train the nurse here, and they learn from us, and they can train the others. They can train their colleagues.